Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Big Bear House with Billiards Steps to Ski Resort. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are parking, free Wi-Fi, non-smoking rooms and a fitness center. Big Bear House with Billiards Steps to Ski Resort features a patio and is located in Big Bear Lake, within just a 5-minute walk of Bear Mountain Golf Course and a few steps of Animal Park. The property is 4.1 miles from Big Bear Marina, and guests benefit from complimentary Wi-Fi and private parking available on site. Including 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, this vacation home features a flat-screen TV with cable channels and DVD player. Towels and bed linen are featured. Alpine Slide at Magic Mountain is 4.4 miles from the vacation home, while Aspen Glen Picnic Area is 4.9 miles away. The nearest airport is Long Beach Airport, 104 miles from Big Bear House with Billiards Steps to Ski Resort. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.